How to install IIS on Windows 10 and Windows Server 2012. If you are using virtual machines such as Windows VPS, you must connect to Windows via remote desktop. The following steps are also helpful if you're looking for how to install IIS on Windows 10 or Windows Server 2012. How to install IIS on Windows 10. Press the Windows plus R key to open the launch section. Now type appwiz.cpl that opens programs and features in Windows 10. On the Apps and Features page, click Close or turn off Windows Features. In the list of features, search the Internet Information Service. Check the IIS services according to your needs and press OK. After the installation, restart your computer to complete the installation. You can now access IIS in your browser by entering the 127.0.0.1 address on the local network. How to install IIS on Windows Server 2012. To install IIS on Windows Server, press the Windows plus R keys to open run. After you connect it to the RDP, open Server Manager, click on the Add Roles and Features in the newly opened window. Now, the installation wizard will appear. Click Next. Look for roles based on a role or based on a feature. Proceed with the installation process. When the installation is finished, close the installation wizard. Let us know if you need other tutorial concepts.